Welcome to this learning journey, guys. So, in this video, I'm going to take you to this very important examination blueprint, which is the latest blueprint of this NVIDIA certified professional agentic AI examination. So, let's start with an important one, that is the purpose of this examination. See, the NVIDIA certified professional agentic AI examination is here to validate your knowledge and your skill set in building, evaluating, and deploying the agentic AI system. And this ensures that you're not only familiar with the concepts, but also capable of applying them in real world situation. So think of this examination as a way for NVIDIA to confirm that you are ready to take on the roles where agentic AI is being adapted at the enterprise scale. Now, as part of this certification for this examination, this actually divided the overall examination into core domains. And the same domains and the same structure is being followed in our certificate preparation as well. And now if I want to take you through those 10 domains and its respective weightage. So the first domain that you would be having in your certification preparation is architecture and design, and the weightage here is 15%. And the second domain is agent development, which is the weightage of 15%. And the third domain is evaluation and tuning, which is having the weightage of 13%, followed by deployment and scaling of 5%, cognition, planning, and memory aspect 10%, knowledge integration 10%, NVIDIA ecosystem tools, which is a very important and very easy one, it's 7%, operations and monitoring, it is again 7%, safety and compliance 5%, human AI oversight, which is 5%. So together, these domains represent the full life cycle of designing, building, and deploying, and not only just deploying, which also includes the monitoring aspect of this agentic AI system. So by preparing for all these domains, you will be much ready and you will feel confident in clearing your certification as well. Now moving on, let's take a look into the examination format and the scoring. Now, the examination is typically a multi-choice question as well as a scenario-based question. Okay, in some cases, for a single question, you are required to select multiple answers. You will also encounter the questions that test both your theoretical knowledge as well as the ability of yours to solve the problems, which is application in nature. And one of the key thing that you have to note here is it's a time limited examination. And this is about 120 minutes. The passing score is determined by NVIDIA certification standards and it is scaled, and they have not actually revealed to anyone about how the passing score would be calculated. That's something that we have not been shown or mentioned anywhere in the official study guide too. Now, when you're preparing, so as and when you're preparing in this learning journey, as I mentioned, each and every domain has its own respective weightage. So, whenever you are preparing, it's very important that you pay extra attention to the high weight domains. So, if I want to highlight some of the high weightage domain, they are architecture, agent development, and evaluation. Because these three domains together account for over 40% of the examination questions. And that said, just don't neglect the smaller domains as well. Even the 5% section can actually contribute several questions. And remember, it's not an easy examination. What it means is your every point that you would be scoring will matter and it will actually help you whenever you're looking at passing this certificate examination with flying colors. And to ensure that you are safe in your certification journey, also practice the hands-on that is included as part of your learning journey in this course, because this hands-on practice will boost the recall, especially when it comes to advanced or applied questions in your certificate examination. Now, here are some of the strategies that will help you to prepare effectively. So, what I would highly recommend here is just follow the structured learning path that we have given to you. That means study one domain at a time, following the course roadmap that we have given for you. And as in when you're learning, complete all the labs. And the reason that labs are important, because most of the examination questions are based on scenarios which are similar to those labs. You are not required to code, but the questions are placed in such a way that only when you have a practical knowledge you'll be able to answer it. Okay, and attempt the practice question that we have given for you so that you prepare yourself before your final examination with NVIDIA. Okay, now some of the key takeaway from this video over here is, so from this video, you have got your blueprint. So the examination blueprint is your map. And by following this closely, you will know where to focus your time and the effort. And I highly recommend you to balance your study between high weightage and the smaller domain. And remember, the hands-on practice combined with theory is the best formula for your certificate success. Okay, so with this, we come to the end of this video, guys, and I'll see you next time. All right, guys, so this was just one video on this module one of full NVIDIA certified professional agentic AI certificate preparation course. Now, in case if you'd like to access and continue access all the hands-on labs, videos, projects, including the examination preparation module, you can enroll on our website. The link is in the description below. If you are able to complete this video till the end, I would think that there's something that resonates between us, and I'm excited to help you in your certification preparation journey, and I'll see you on our portal. But more importantly, I wish you all the very best, no matter where you are in your agentic AI preparation journey. So stay with us, subscribe to our channel for more free content.